Good morning, everyone, and happy Thursday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. In today's video, we'll be covering exciting stock market news, the morning's biggest gainers and losers, as well as notable earnings reports. Don't forget to check back in at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for Richard Allen's Power Hour, where he'll get you up to date with what's been happening in the market throughout the day. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and leave your thoughts in the comments down below. I always love hearing from you guys. All right, now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are in the red so far this morning. We have the Dow futures down 0.6%, S&P 500 futures down 0.7%, and NASDAQ futures down 0.93%. Russia will be eliminating the dollar from their National Well-Being Fund, switching towards more euro, yuan, and gold, as the Kremlin seeks to reduce exposure to U.S. assets amid threats of sanctions. The transfer will affect about $119 billion in liquid assets and will take place within the central bank's huge reserves. Tesla will spend more than $1 billion per year acquiring raw materials for developing electric batteries. According to Reuters, the spending drive will mostly target Australia's mining industry, given the responsible mining practices in play. The electric vehicle giant gets 3/4 of its lithium supplies from Australia. The country also accounts for more than a third of the company's nickel demand. Australia should benefit a great deal given the strong demand for electric vehicles and its rising need for energy storage facilities. While Tesla gets the raw material for its batteries from Australia, it also supplies the country with batteries used to store energy captured by solar panels. Tesla, of course, always has quite mixed reviews from analysts and comes in with an average upside of just 3.5%. A couple of the most recent ratings range from a downside of 5% to an upside of 44%. Microsoft has picked Morgan Stanley as a strategic cloud computing partner in the financial services industry. It is a multi-pronged arrangement. In addition to running its workloads to Microsoft's Azure cloud platform, Morgan Stanley will contribute to unlocking opportunities that Microsoft's cloud provides to financial services companies. Other than using Microsoft's cloud for its operations, Morgan Stanley will contribute its industry expertise to help Microsoft develop cloud products that would make it easier for the financial services industry to shift to the cloud. The Microsoft stock does come in as a strong buy, with an average upside potential of over 20%, whereas the Morgan Stanley stock also comes in as a strong buy, but with an upside potential of just 1% currently. Now, we have several acquisitions to discuss this morning, starting off with Southwestern Energy, who will be acquiring Indigo Natural Resources for $2.7 billion. The acquisition of the privately held natural gas producer should enhance the company's position as a leader in natural gas production while complementing the existing portfolio. Southwestern Energy also stands to gain access to low-cost premium markets in the Gulf Coast LNG corridor. Additionally, the transaction is expected to increase Southwestern's free cash flow to about $1.2 billion from 2021 to 2023. The transaction is expected to close in the fourth quarter. The Southwestern Energy stock does come in as a hold with an average downside of just over 4%. We also have Advanced Energy acquiring Tigum for $18 million. The semiconductor manufacturing company sells engineered precision power conversion, measurement, and control solutions on a global basis. Tigum provides metrology and calibration instrumentation used in semiconductor and advanced industrial markets. The addition of Tigum enhances Advanced Energy's RF process power offerings and calibration systems. Furthermore, the deal expands the company's presence in several advanced industrial markets. The acquisition also has certain financial benefits, as it is expected to be accretive to the company's adjusted earnings this year. The Advanced Energy stock does come in as a moderate buy with an average upside potential of 16%. And lastly, we have Skillz, whose shares popped 27% after announcing that they would be acquiring AEIS for $150 million. Skillz is an online mobile gaming platform that is integrated into several iOS and Android games, whereas AEIS is a technology-driven marketing platform. AEIS will be using their strengths in creative optimization, machine learning algorithms, and proprietary data to boost return on investment for performance advertisers. The addition of AEIS' machine learning algorithms and advanced advertising capabilities will help Skillz to expand its presence in the mobile gaming industry. Their stock comes in as a moderate buy with an average upside of 16%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. Starting off with apparel company PVH, who came in with better than expected first quarter results. Their revenues came in at $2.08 billion in their first quarter, which was above the street's estimates of $1.93 billion and jumped 55% from the year-ago period. Their adjusted earnings came in at $1.92 per share, beating the consensus estimates of 83 cents per share. A loss of 3 cents was reported in the same quarter last year. Their stock comes in as a moderate buy with an average upside of 4.7%, the most recent rating coming in today with an upside of nearly 17%. We also heard from Canadian technology company Descartes. The company, which provides on-demand software-as-a-service solutions to businesses, reported higher profits and revenues in their first quarter. Their revenues came in at $98.8 million, an increase of 18% and beating the estimates of $92.2 million. Meanwhile, their net income amounted to $18.4 million, or 21 cents per diluted share, when analysts were expecting earnings per share of just 17 cents. Their stock comes in as a moderate buy with an average upside potential of 17.74%. Other earnings reports expected this morning are from Express and Sienna Corporation. And in the after hours, we have several to look forward to. This includes CrowdStrike, DocuSign, Lululemon, Broadcom, and Five Below. Now let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Starting off with our biggest gainer this morning, Community Bankers Trust Corporation. They trade under the ticker ESXB and are currently up 27%. They're followed by Tellurian under TELL, currently up just shy of 19%, and the Workhorse Group under WKHS. They're currently up nearly 17%, following a gain of 19% yesterday. Moving over to our biggest losers. Now, all three of these companies are down this morning following big gains yesterday, starting off with PetMed Express. They trade under the ticker PETS, and they're currently down over 12%, following a gain of 58% yesterday, as well as Koss Corporation under KOSS, who's down 12.8% with a gain of 68% yesterday, and Bed Bath & Beyond under BBBY, who's currently down 9.8%, following a gain of 62%. So that is everything for Thursday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments down below. I always love hearing from you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day, and we will see you back here next time.